Crossover to the left, crossover to the right, crossover to the left, to the right, the layup. Come on, man. Back in the day, it's about I'd say about years ago in the 90s, Tim Hardaway of the Miami Heat was known for his crossovers, you know what I'm saying? And then AI came through the NBA, you know what I'm saying? When AI got to the NBA, which is Allen Iverson, I'm talking about the Philadelphia 76ers at that time. When he got into the NBA, he was known for his crossovers, you know what I mean? And then they had this guy that was called White Chocolate, Sacramento Kings. He had a crazy pass, crazy handle, crazy crossover, right? Now, we're in 2020. I say in the last 5 to 10 years, in my opinion, Steph Curry and Kyrie Irving, they both got the best, the illest, the greatest, whatever word you want to call it, handle, crossover I've seen in a long time. You understand what I'm saying? If you ask me, I'll choose Kyrie Irving over Steph Curry, all right? He kind of got that street ball handle and he brought it into the NBA. And it just made it so much more fun to watch, if you ask me. You know what I mean? Like, this kid is like, what, 6'3", 6'4"? Like, he's not even that tall for an NBA player, but what he can do for his height in the NBA is amazing. He's so talented. Kyrie Irving is unbelievable. He deserves every million that he's getting on the Brooklyn Nets. You understand what I'm saying? That's for real, because that dude is a tough player. And by the way, guys, the last championship that LeBron James won in Cleveland wasn't won by LeBron James. It was won by Kyrie Irving. You know what I mean? He made that very important shot that needed that three-pointer. You know what I mean? The step back, made that three-pointer. That was Kyrie Irving. You know what I'm saying? He's the one that won the championship for the Cleveland Cavaliers, not LeBron James, in my opinion. You know what I mean? But everybody has their own opinion. But without Kyrie Irving, that team would have never won a championship. You know what I mean? So either way, I think he has the best crossover in the NBA. He's such a talented player. And these kicks right here, the Kyrie Irving 6 AI, man, dope on feet. You know what I mean? To me, they're like beautiful sneakers, really. You know what I'm saying? If you wear these on the court, it's a wrap. So guys, let's get to these kicks. Let's take a look at it and let's see what it looks like, all right? If you don't have these kicks yet, they come in a box that looks just like this. All right? I definitely like these box. I love how it's designed. Definitely very attractive, you know what I mean? That's dope, all right? Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. All right, guys, let me give you guys a 360, all right? I've never worn a Kyrie Irving shoe before. Never ever worn. This is my first time actually reviewing one. You know what I'm saying? But however, I like it, man. You know what I mean? I definitely like it. You know, it comes with a strap. All right, it's give you that locked in feeling. Okay. You know what I mean? Like this right here just reminds me of the Jordan Why Nots. That's what it reminds me of. You know what I mean? Even though it's not the same make, but Nike does have something to do with the Jordans. You know what I mean? But the way it looks, it kind of look like, it remind me of the Jordan Why Nots. I don't know. It just reminds me of that. As you can see, some of this parts is made of suede. This was designed by Kyrie Irving's sister, okay? Asia Irving, all right? I'm sure you guys heard of her. You've seen her before. Go on the Instagram page. She's on Instagram, all right? Now, take a look at these straps real quick as it says Asia on it, all right? It says Asia. You can see her design right there. And you can also see, take a look at the back of the sneaker and see what it says. It says a year of the women, okay? And if you also take a look at the tongue, I don't know if you can see that. Let me pull this down a little bit. All right. It says Asia, okay? This was designed by Kyrie Irving's sister, okay? And like I said before, guys, Kyrie Irving this year has just donated $100,000 to the WNBA, okay? Regarding the women that didn't want to go back to the court and play basketball because of the coronavirus. They didn't want to bring them back to their families and things like that, all right? And that's what's going on, right? Now, I think this money for these sneakers probably gonna go to a good cause. You know, that's already enough reason for me to buy it. You understand what I'm saying? But I'll tell you one thing, guys. This is one of the dopest on-court kicks I've ever seen. It's definitely sexy. You understand what I'm saying? I'm loving the strap. You know what I'm saying? To give you that locked-in feeling. You know what I mean? You don't have to strap it or whatnot. But it comes with laces, all right? Purple laces. Barely grape. Take a look at the switch sign right there. That's dope. And it's also got like two double switch logo here and here. That's kind of dope, man. You know what I mean? Now these right here, guys, goes for $130, all right? That's how much you gotta pay for copping one of these. And this will be a perfect time to cop something like this at a time where there's coronavirus out there. Like I said, I'm sure these sneakers, the money made from this will probably go into a good cause. It was designed by Kyrie's sister, all right? I guess that's why they incorporated all these colors in there, you know what I mean? Barely grape and purple and stuff like that. But it's dope. It's a dope ass sneaker. I'll definitely wear that on court. It's fire. I give this a 9 out of 10 because I think it's such a dope ass sneaker. You know what I mean? Now come to the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, please click that subscribe button. And if you're not, please click that share button, all right? Thank you again for watching my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you rocking some Kyrie Irvings, all right? Asia Irving, all right? Or maybe I might not. Who knows? One easy.